Hola, welcome back. We changed locations. We are now in the mountains. This is Santa Ana volcano. This is the city of El Salvador. Some city I don't really know. More mountains and trees. We're going hiking. We're going to attempt to go hiking. We feel like we can still hop on board and do it. This is day 3 of 4. Tomorrow we leave. Hopefully our driver come back and gets us. Because he tried to act like he didn't want to come back and get us because we really in the trenches. But he gave us a hug and everything. We like, oh, hey, so you coming back? He was like, I'm like, dude, before we booked this day, I asked y'all, would y'all take us out here? And y'all said yes. I got to go home. But I'm enjoying myself. It's been a lot of relaxing, laughing, music, really, really good food, really, really good, cool people. And what else? Liquor, lituations, beach, water, and now we're in nature and we're on some. We want to hike that. I want to hike it. So wish us luck, cause that looks intense. But stay tuned. We're just gonna walk to the office and get some stuff. I'm laying my edges for this hike because I gotta get some pictures in. But I'm excited. This should be interesting. I gotta start vlogging like this instead of like this. And we're on our way.
Já temos aqui.
How old did Manaj say? Something about y'all can't even spell El Salvador? Prague. I know, but I'm saying El Salvador. Oh. I wonder what's that.
Close?
Oh, it's more levels.
No, here?
It's levels to it.
No, it's close.
Yeah,
Close. Oh.
No. We doing it. We're headed down the volcano and it is a struggle. I wouldn't say it's too difficult, but it's definitely strenuous on your legs. The gravel's moving and stuff. so it definitely slide a couple times, but it's definitely worth the view. It's worth the exercise. It's worth the experience. It's definitely worth the view though. Like the view more than anything. I will say, if you come, a hat is probably needed, a necessity, and also sunscreen, bug spray, and a walking stick. We found this on our way going up because it just helps keep your balance and it helps you like be more sturdy, if that makes sense. But we're just gonna keep walking. I don't know how far we are to the bottom, but we already hit our 3-mile mark maybe 20 minutes ago. So a video would never capture what this truly looks like. The essence of El Salvador, Santa Ana. I'm dirty and I'm gonna take a shower. I'm sweating. I'm perspiring and I feel like I smell spicy. Cause like, why would my luck not be like that? No news on the go. We still gotta go all the way down. This is probably like midpoint, I'm not sure. So I decided El Salvador because I am on a journey to discover and not discover, because I'm not Christopher Columbus. We ain't making shit up, doing shit that we actually didn't do and taking credit for it. I'm here to explore the people who are the descendants of the African diaspora. So I've already explained this on my Snapchat, but basically before Pangea, the world was one, and then the tectonic plates moved, and then that created multiple continents. We ended up with 7, and everyone originated from Africa. So they say, you know, the Eve gene and all that stuff, how black people can produce, you know, all different colors, but all the different colored people can't produce black people. So I just want to explore where all the black people got dropped off and how they mix with other cultures and what the cultures look like today, what the race looks like today, what the ethnic group look like today, what the people look like today. More often than not, when I go to Central or South America, being brown is in your favor. That's why I don't care to go. Yeah, I don't know how much more I'm gonna record because again, this is not really a content-based trip, but I did want you guys to see, you know, my journey and how I navigated it. And if you want to come to see Santa Ana, the price list, everything is super inexpensive. That's another reason I choose Central or South America, because the dollar goes a long way. Instead, like Europe, your dollar's gonna get shitted on, or like the euro, or the pound. But yeah, it was really beautiful. I enjoyed the hike. I'll be checking back in when we get back to our campground, because we're staying at Campo Bello, which means, como se dice, what does Campo Bello mean? It means beautiful camp. And we're beautiful women staying at the beautiful camp. And we conquered. Right, I should take El Salvador. Take it again. I love it here. I'm gonna come back for sure. So, on a level 1 to 10, how difficult was it?
It was worth it.
But on a level from 1 being less difficult, 10 being most difficult?
It's about an 8. But make sure you have good shoes. Like, you need like some hiking. Don't wear huaraches.
I like my